So we will create some customer relationships that we are in CRM right now. So in leads, we will create one new, say money 2. Let's mark probability as 60%. Company names will be, it says DLC. Contact title, we can fill this information here. Just upload that. Now we'll move towards leads. So we can see that we have money 2. So we have created this. We can convert this to an opportunity. Now this is converted to an opportunity. So contact to select say Bhuneshwar. And just again upload. Okay, now we will go and lead. In CRM we can see we have new thing. Now we can go here. We have various options like won, lost, enrich. So this is a premium version in list. We can, if the customer is lost or if it doesn't have any identity, we can make it as lost. Select the reason and make it as lost. So that like that appears, you can see. So we will went to see in CRM and there is no one, you can see. This is how we can manage customer relationship in